Yeah, in the clinic at the Cove, and I'm just going to show you some of the NRT products that we currently use for young people who want to abstain from smoking during their inpatient stay. So there's 3 products that we currently use or use most at the Cove, and the NRT patches. You can see here for smokers of 10 or more of a day, and for smokers of 10 or less of a day. But what we find is young people at the Cove aren't typically addicted to nicotine, and they're often social smokers who are really engaged in abstinence attempts, and they tend to like these products, the lozenges, which are here, and the inhalator, which is here. The inhalator is a favourite of the young people. They really like the fact that it replicates a smoking action. So take the inhalator and put it to the mouth. We found this really, really effective in terms of helping young people abstain.